Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Civil Services and Aspiration. So today is 7th August 2020 and firstly let's see the history of the day. So today means on 7th August in 1944, IBM introduced the automatic sequence control calculator named Mark I. It was 51 feet long and 6 feet high. It was inherently capable of doing long bulge automatically. So this is the history of the day. Now moving towards the current affairs part. So the first question is, which country recently test fired its Minuteman 3 intercontinental ballistic missile? हाल ही में किस देश ने अपने Minuteman 3 intercontinental ballistic missile का परीक्षण किया है? And the answer is America. An unnamed Minuteman 3 intercontinental ballistic missile was tested on a target flight from California to the Pacific Ocean. Now moving toward the second question, and guys, if you know the answers, please do tell in the comment section. So the question is, India's first ICMR mobile RT-PCR COVID lab, mobile infection testing and reporting lab MTR has been developed by whom? भारत की पहली ICMR मोबाइल RT-PCR कोविड MBA मोबाइल ट्रांसफॉर्म टेस्टिंग एवं डेवलपमेंट MBA MITR के द्वारा किसके द्वारा विकसित की गई है? एंड द आंसर इज इंडियन इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ साइंस इन बेंगलुरु. Now the third question is, which telecom company has announced a multi-year strategic agreement with Amazon Web Services to offer cloud solution to a large as well as small and medium enterprise customers in India? किस टेलीकॉम कंपनी ने भारत में बड़े और छोटे के साथ मध्यम उद्योग के ग्राहकों को MP3 समाधान देने के लिए मनी ऑफ वेब सर्विस के साथ बहुवर्षीय राजनीति समझौते पर घोषणा की है? सो द आंसर इज भारती एयरटेल. And the products related to the artificial intelligence and edge will be offered in SNB. Now the fourth question is, which state launched the Shahid Mahendra Karma Tendu Leaf Sanghark Samaj Suraksha Yojana? किस राज्य ने शहीद महेंद्र कर्म तेंदु पत्ता संहारक समाज सुरक्षा योजना का शुभारंभ किया है? एंड द आंसर इज छत्तीसगढ़ स्टेट ऑफ इंडिया. एंड लेट मी टेल यू दैट तेंदु लीव्स, द लीव्स wrapped cigarette used to make bidi, are collected by the forest dwellers and purchased from them by the state government of Chhattisgarh. Now the fifth question is, in which year did Hiroshima drop the atomic bomb named Little Boy on Japan? किस वर्ष में हिरोशिमा जापान पर परमाणु बम लिटिल बॉय गिराया गया था? सो द आंसर इज इन 1945 बाय द यूनाइटेड स्टेट ऑफ अमेरिका टू एंड द सेकेंड वर्ल्ड वॉर. नाउ द लास्ट क्वेश्चन इज, अकॉर्डिंग टू फ्यूचर ब्रांड इंडेक्स 2020, विच इंडस्ट्री रैंक सेकेंड बिगेस्ट ब्रांड इन द वर्ल्ड? फ्यूचर ब्रांड इंडेक्स 2020 के अनुसार किस उद्योग ने दुनिया के 2 सबसे बड़े ब्रांड की रैंकिंग की? एंड द आंसर इज रिलायंस इंडस्ट्रीज. Now let me tell you the answers of yesterday questions which I have asked from you. So the first question is, who is known as the father of modern Indian theatre? So the answer is Ibrahim Alkazi, who died recently. Now the second question was, Sirui Lily Festival is related to which Indian state? So the answer is, it is related to the Manipur state of India, which can be recently seen in news. Now let me give you the questions for today which you have to answer in the comment section. So the first question is, who has been appointed as the new Lieutenant Governor of Jammu and Kashmir? And the second question is, Okayama Declaration is related to what, which is recently seen in news? Guys, if you know the answers, please do tell in the comment section. Otherwise, in the next video, I am going to tell the answers of these questions. Till then, thank you for watching our video, and if you like it, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't miss to hit the bell icon.